Okay, that's welcome back to 1d8 plus 1 Elite Orbs or Dimming Stage Block 9, or welcome back to Dimming Stage Block 9 and 1d8 plus 1 Elite Orbs. That is some confusion type thing on mechanics. They're infinitely confusing type thing in that type of sense. That's your score type thing in that type of sense, and that's an 18. And then on that line is a 19, and from that 19 is a plus 4 type thing in that type of sense, which is not on the same line. See right there, you follow along the line type thing there, and that's not useful to anything in that type of sense. Now from that, you get a score thing settled together. Okay, now you can do this in two places type thing. You could either go to the back of the book type thing in that type of sense. That's the index, and that's page 317. And in that type of thing, that is character type thing, and that means. And from that, you can do that type thing in that type of sense. Now in the character sheet, that's 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1 type thing in that type of sense. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 abilities type thing in that type of means. And from there type thing in that type of sense, we have an 18 score type thing from that line, and that's there. You go back here type thing, and you write 19 beside it type thing in that type of sense. And you don't. Let's see here. Now that's still at first level with 0 experience type thing, and it isn't. And from there in that type of sense, that's 18 to 19, and then the plus 4 goes with the modifier. And that's modifier type thing, and that's plus 4 right there. So 18 and 4 type thing in that type of sense. Then at fourth level type thing in that type of sense, that's 4, 6,000, 7, 3.5, and that's first ability point increase behind the first and second feat. Now in that type of thing, you go over here type thing, and if let's say you're a human in the Pathfinder system, or I don't think anybody does here type thing, it says that you can put any one of these abilities with a plus 2. So in that type of thing, that's a plus 2 type thing in that type of sense. That's an ability, which it isn't. So now, in that type of thing, that's 8 strength. That's your page 8. That's strength type thing in that type of sense, and it says the abilities type thing in that type of thing. So the abilities type thing in that type of sense, and then that's strength, and then from strength to dexterity type thing in that type of sense, from strength to dexterity to constitution type thing, from constitution to intelligence on page 9, and to wisdom type thing there type thing in that type of sense, and then to charisma. Now in that type of thing, that's a character sheet type thing here in that, and there isn't. So that's strength to strength, dexterity to dexterity, constitution to constitution, intelligence to intelligence, wisdom to wisdom, and charisma to charisma. So it doesn't work. So now, in that type of thing, you put a plus 2 in all your abilities type thing in that type of sense. And that's right type thing in that type of sense. That's plus 2 strength. From plus 2 strength, that's 18 score that you started with type thing. That was the start. That's 18. That's the adjustment type thing in that type of sense. That's 2. And that's 20. And that's how you do that type thing. And then 20 with a plus 5 modifier. And that's how that works.